Hello guys! Magandang hapon sa inyong lahat. I am Chinugas Mama Sagari Channel, a faith healer, also a tarot healer. So ngayong hapon na to, tignan natin ano kayong sabihin sa inyo ng ating mga gabay. So this is something, a weekly pasilip for the month of February 16 hanggang February 21 for the sign of Cancerian. So Cancer, welcome to my channel. Ano kayang messages, advices, and spirit guides ang ating masasaga for today's video? Kanino kayang energy or kaganapan sa buhay ng mga Cancerian ng ating mga kagilap? So guys, this reading is a general reading lamang, hindi lahat makaka-resonate. Kunin lamang po ang makaka-relate sa inyo and comment down below kung kaninong energy ang ating nasagot. But don't forget to like and subscribe my channel. And i-click ko siya ba for more videos. Maraming salamat po sa mga walang sawang pagsuporta sa aking channel. Lalo-lalo nang skip ng ads na way pagpalain kayo ng Diyos at may kapal. Siksik, liglig, nag-uumapaw na biyayang manambalik sa inyo. So let's see guys, what is the messages, advices sa iyo ng ating angel spirit for the sign of Cancerian. So let's see and watch this. Angel spirit, let's give me information po. Ano kaya kaganapan sa buhay ng mga Cancerian ng ating mga gilap? Okay, so there's something guys with the Four of Wands, may celebration coming in, na may mga celebration daw dito na maaaring mangyari at maganap. No, there's something on events, no, birthday gatherings, no, mayroong uuwi, no, galing international. No, there's something celebration with the Four of Wands. There's a twin flame energy and soulmate connections, the two of you guys. And there's the Two of Swords. Now, there's something decisions that you need to make. So, may mga decision dito na mapagdidesisyonan na. Na matutuldukan na. Na may mga bagay na matatapos na. Ay. Na mayroon kang gustong gawin. O gustong makapag-decide. There's a possible na itong decision na to ay maihain na. No, and of course, may isa sa katuparan mo na. And there's a Knight of Wands. So, this is something a perseverance, konting tiyaga lang. No, patuloy kasi yung ginagawa, continue what you're doing. No, wag kang mangamba, wag kang matakot. No, just continue. No, wag kang mag-alinlangan dyan sa ginagawa mo. And there's the Knight of Pentacles being security. Maging secure ka lang. No, sa lahat ng bagay na gagawin mo, lalo na, no, yung bagay na gusto mong gawin, pakasiguraduhin mo na hindi magkakaroon ng hidden agenda, no? Alam mong hindi ka magsisisi at the end of the time. So, yung mga bagay na yon, kailangan mas maging secure ka, no? Dapat maging protektado ka, no? And there's a Magician for manifestation, na may mga bagay na unti-unti mo raw mamamanifest, unti-unti mo rin daw matatamo, na may mga plano ka dito na maaaring maisakatuparan mo na, no, mangyari na. And there's something guys with the world. Some of you magkakaroon ng travel, success, accomplishment. Some of you guys na magkakaroon talaga ng travel dito at the same time. What is the Four of Wands? So represent guys with the Devil card. So ibig sabihin dito guys, no, there's an evil plan. So mayroong talagang may balak or mayroong humaharang o humakadlang sa'yo dito, no? And of course, some of you guys, mag-ingat kayo with the celebrations, no? No, mayroon ako na sense na maaring lasunin ka. Mayroon dito ako na sense na maaring mayroong nagbabadya na hindi maganda. So just being aware from Devil card. No, this is the Page of Cups. Makinig ka sa intuition na gut feeling mo. No, mararamdaman. Nakita mo, parang sumusuka siya, diba? No, ito yung sinasabi na maging ingat ka sa mga kinakain mo, no, pagtanggap ng mga pagkain mo, kasi maaring magtai ka dito, or kumbaga magsuka, no, maging aware lang. So, kasi maaring malason ka sa pagkain, mag-ingat po kayo. With a Knight of Wands, represent with a Chariot card, there's something in action moment, magkakaroon ng changes sa development sa situations na to. So, mararamdaman mo na yung pagbabago. Continue what you're doing. Mararamdaman mo rin na unti-unti rin gumiginahawa ang situations mo. Na unti-unting lumuluwag na ang eksena mo. What is the Knight of Pentacles? So, represent guys with the Nine of Cups. There's something a wish fulfillment. May bagay na maaaring may sakatuparan at matupad mo na. May mga pangarap ka na maaaring mailatag mo na. No, mas maging secure ka lang sa lahat ng gagawin mo, sa mga plano mo. No, wag ka magkukwento. Maraming mga feeling chikadora dyan, tapos kumukuha lang ng information sa'yo. With a magician represent with an 8 of swords. See, I told you. No, there's a lot of toxic and negativities around you. Mag-ingat ka. No, some of you guys na meron ako nasa-sense talaga dito, no, parang inuunti-unti ka. No, there's a doing a black magic to you guys. No, parang lumalaki yung tiyan mo. Mag-ingat po kayo. There's a magician na talaga may gumagawa ng hindi maganda sa'yo. And there's the king of wands, something ambition. Unti-unti mo rin ito makikita, no, ang possibilities, no. Kung some of you, may balak ka mga ibang bansa, there's a possible na makaalis ka, no, may mga bagay dito na maaring magdala ng panibagong tagumpay sa'yo. What is the Four of Wands in the Devil card? The Four of Wands and the Devil card represent with a Four of Pentacles. So, something saving and protecting. So, kailangan mo proteksyon na ng yung sarili, mentally, physically, emotionally, at the same time, lalo-lalo na sa pagkain. No, mag-ingat ka sa mga tinatanggap mo ng kung ano-ano. Meron ka dadaluhan ng ano dito, guys. May dadaluhan kang birthday or event. No, maaaring idadaan dun sa pagkain. And there's an 8 of Pentacles. Iyahain talaga siya sa'yo. Mag-ingat ka na sa mga nakakasalamuha mo dito. No, merong talagang kumbaga pagkain na kumbaga kung alam mo nagkakaroon ka ng indecision kainin niyo, wag mo kainin. What is additional messages with the Knight of Wands because the Chariot card represents with the Judgment. Now, there's something guys with a wake-up call. May paalala sa'yo dito na you need to pay attention. No, may babala, may paalala sa'yo na mag-ingat ka. No, kumbaga mayroong kang bagay na kailangan may isa katuparan or gawin. And because there's a star card for healing and recovery. Some of you guys na makaka-recover ka rin from that situations. No, matutupad mo talaga there's a wish fulfillment and wish fulfillment. So, mas maging secure ka lang sa iyong plano. Sa mga balak mo, sa lahat ng gusto mong gawin. No, magtatagumpay ka talaga. There's a star card, something and hope, miracles, fulfillment. Now, there's a magician because the star, there's the 8 of swords in upright. There's an Knight of Cups, there's an offer. So, may offer dito na paparating and there's an apology. May iran ditong, kumbaga, hihingi ng kapatawaran, hihingi ng apology, but hindi siya sincere. So, just being aware then. So, there's something creator. May magaling siya magdrama, magaling siya magpaikot, magaling siya magmanipulate, mag-ingat ka. So, there's something guys with the Three of Pentacles for collaborations. There's something connections. Maraming taong makakasalamuha mo, makakahalubilo mo. No, ito yung bagay na magdadala sa iyo, no, ng pag-alis sa ibang bansa. Talaga makakalis ka sa ibang bansa o makakalipat ka ng bansa. Additional messages naman tayo for the outcome. There's something that's Ten of Pentacles. There's something for long term. Magkakaroon ka na for long term success. No, long term relationship. No? And there's the King of Pentacles, something a practicality. So, kailangan maging practical ka sa lahat ng bagay na gagawin mo. No, mag-iingat ka sa lahat ng bagay na kakainin mo. Now, there's something guys with the Ace of Pentacles, Ace of Swords, something and mental clarity. May mga bagay na magbibigay liwanag sa'yo. Pinapaalalahanan ka na putulin mo yung mga bagay na makakasugat, makakasira sa'yo. No, may mga tao talaga sa paligid mo, toxic at negative na akala mo makakabuti sa'yo. No, magaling lang makipag-usap. Yun pala, traitor. Yun pala, kumbaga kumukuha ng information. There's an evil eye, just being aware. And of course, let's see, there's something guys with Empress card for a revert. So, this is something in healing. So, there's something in blessing coming in. Talaga mayroong bagay na matutupad dito. No, may mag-heal talaga dito, guys, no? I feel something a childhood memories or something remnants na maaring ipaalala sa'yo na ang layo-layo mo na sa dating ikaw. So, let's see additional messages. There's something, guys, with the Two of Cups. There's a partnership. Ito yung partnership na mag-ingat ka. No, there's an apology. Yung pakikipagkaibigan or may mga kaibigan or mga nakakasalamuha mo, especially sa trabaho mo, mag-ingat ka. Very toxic talaga. And there's a Queen of Cups, emotional, intelligent. Pagdating sa emotion, mag-ingat ka. Very dramatically actress na magaling siya magdrama. Na magaling siyang kumuha ng information and of course emotions. Magaling siya magpanggap. No, mag-ingat po kayo dito. So let's see. Pagdating naman tayo sa finances and career, love life at kalusugan. Let's see. So, nandito na tayo guys, no? Pagdating sa finances and career, love life at kalusugan. Shuffle ako ng Berry Life. Pagdating sa finances and career, represent with a Temperance. This is something in perfect timing. So, may mga bagay talaga na nakalaan na may mga bagay na napapanahon, na may mga bagay talaga na kailangan mo kumalma, habaan ng pasensya. Now, when the time has come, kung bagay ito para sa'yo, ibibigay sa'yo. There's something higher, fight for something education. Marami ka pang bagay na dapat matutunan, no? No, pagdating sa finances and career, mayroong kang bagay na pakakatandaan dito. Yung mga naranasan mo, kailangan mong mas matuto, mas madala, no? Huwag ka na magpapaniwala sa matatalinhagang salita. No, kailangan mong kumalma kapag alam mong itong tao na to, kumaga hindi naman talagang sincere sa kanya sinasabi, at alam mong walang benefits or walang kahihinat ng tantanan mo. There's a Queen of Wands, by confident. Lakas naman loob mo, maging matapang ka. I feel something meron dito nang gagaslight sa'yo. Mag-ingat po kayo. Erica, there's a Five of Pentacles, represents something financial loss or financial crisis. No, some of you guys, nakakaranas ka ng financial crisis, financial difficulties, not that because of these situations na kailangan mong pagdaanan, no? Erica, there's a King of Cups, no? Meron talagang person na maaring na naghahatak ng negative sa buhay mo at sa situations mo. It's either co-workers to or friend of yours, no? And of course, there's an aid of something and moving forward. That some of you guys makaka-move on ka rin from this situation. Kailangan mo talagang mag-cleanse muna, no? Hugasan, tanggalin, no? If, kumbaga, kailangan mo malinis, no? Tanggalin yung mga negativities sa paligid mo, sa buhay mo. With a Ten of Swords, no? There's something in sabotage. May sumasabotahe talaga para pabagsakin ka. Pagdating sa love life, so there's something guys with a Tower moment for a major changes. Malaking pagbabago ang magaganap sa situations mo, sa buhay mo. Na pagdating sa relasyon, with the Knight of Swords, something anxiety, sleepless, and meron ako na sa sense dito with the Gayuma, with the Hierophant, because there's a Knight of Swords. No, parang pinapakita dito, nagkakaroon ka ng anxiety, sleepless nights. No, hindi ka makatulog, balisa ka. No? And of course, there's something a wheel of fortune. There's a destiny is yours. Talagang pinapakita dito na kayo talaga nitong person mo na to sa isa't isa. Nasa isang karmic relationship ka na may tutol sa inyong relasyon. Maraming humakadla, tumaharang. And there's a Knight of Pentacles. There's something a potential for abundance. May potential kayo para maging malago, para nakakulong ang the lovers mo. Ibig sabihin dito guys, no, may humakarang o humakadlang na inyong paglago. No, ibig sabihin malapit, no, sa inyo. It's either there's an ex na hindi maka-move on, or there's a possible na there's a family related, there's something toxic family or toxic friends. And there's something a Seven of Wands. Safe protection and at pangalaga mo yung sarili mo. May gayuma ako na sa sense dito guys ha. Mag-ingat po kayo. No, there's something guys with the Three of Swords. Sabi ka na nga ba third party? So, it's either a friend, toxic family, or toxic ex. Pagdating sa kalusugan mo, there is a the Moon card for revelation. Oh, see, mayroong bagay na marireveal din sa'yo, kaya ka lumalaki yung tiyan mo, o kaya hindi nabubuntis si person mo, or you, hindi ka mabuntis, that because of this situation na may gumagawa ng black magic sa inyo. There's a Five of Wands, see, complication. May gumagawa ng complication pagdating sa kalusugan mo. Diba? And of course, there's something guys with a Seven of Swords with a Snake and S. So there's a cheating lying on you. There's something an enemy, letter E, na meron talagang kalaban na kumukuha ng information sa iyo. They're stalking at you guys, no? Tumaga sinusubaybayan ka nito, no, by social media. And of course, there's a Two of Wands. Napiliin mo lang yung mga taong pagkakatiwalaan mo. No, some of them, guys, may nakakausap ka na maaaring konektado sa iyong person, no? Kumbaga, kamag-anak ng person mo rin pala, kumukuha lang ng informations, no? Dahil maaaring hindi ka tanggap nito, or maaaring kumbaga nasusulat sila kasi maaaring konektado to sa dati sa dati niyang karelasyon. There's the lovers. Ibig sabihin talaga dito, isa sa bagay na nagkaroon ng eksena sa'yo dito yung ex ng person mo o ex mo. No, gumagawa. See, there's a Ten of Wands, something burden, something stuck. Hindi siya maka-move on. No, hindi siya maka-recover, maka-get over. Ibig sabihin ng gumagawa sa'yo dito, it's an ex or family related. Toxic family or toxic friends or toxic ex. So guys, let's see what is additional messages pagdating sa Angel's messages with a magical fire messages advices. So let's see and watch this. So nandito na tayo sa chapter ng gabay. Na-miss nyo ba ako guys? Pasensya na ho. No, eto na, mag-upload na tayo guys. Comment down below kung sino yung mga Cancerian dyan ha. At sino yung mga cross-watcher out there dyan na nanonood ng Cancerian dahil ang person nila ay Cancerian. Please comment down below. And there's something a new career. So some of you guys may bagong career dito. No, may career path. And I told you there's a birthday. No, sabi ko na nga ba may dadaluhan kang birthday dito. No, na maaaring ito yung magbigay kasagutan kung bakit mo nararamdaman yan. And there's a reflection, third party. I told you. No? Meron talagang third party dito with a deception, temptation. May tukso. No? Ibig sabihin dito may obsession. Then ako nasi-sense. No? May possession. Now, there's a wisdom, enlightenment. May mga bagay na hinahatid na mensahe sa'yo. Some of you baka nananaginip pa ng ahas, traitor, third parties. And there's a fall. Lahat ng bagay na to, no, ibibigay sa'yo lahat ng dapat mong malaman. Fall into pieces. Nabubuin lahat ng bagay dito para makita mo yung bigger picture. What is a romance angel for Mystic Love Oracle deck? There's a soulmate. No, soulmate yan na person mo. Ito yung sinasabi ko. May ex dito na hindi natapos ang relasyon. Unfinished business. 'Di ba? So, ito yung ang gugulo dito. A toxic ex. What is Archangel Michael messages? Detach from the situation. Sabi ng ating Archangel, kailangan mo makalaya at makaalis sa hindi magandang situation. So talagang may kumbaga humaharang o humakad lang sa inyong relasyon. Sino kaya yan? What is a Jesus loving quote said? What is a Jesus loving quote said? Be not afraid, only believe. So, wag ka daw matakot, maniwala ka lang daw na lahat ng bagay na to ay ayon sa kaloob ng Diyos. No, lahat ng bagay na nangyari sa buhay mo, there's a reasons, o no, kailangan mo lang talaga mapagdaanan to, maranasan to, and because there's something a key, o susi, sa dulo. No, mararamdaman mo at mararanasan mo, after that, no, makukuha mo yung susi, or yung solusyon, paano ka makakawala at makakalaya dyan from that situation. So guys, maraming salamat po. So this is something a weekly pasilip na para sa ating mga kapatid na Cancerian. So this reading is from, it's for, no? Weekly reading for February 16 hanggang February 21. So, nagtatanong, hindi naman daw February yung Cancerian. No! Etong reading na to ay hanggang 16 hanggang 21 lamang. So, ganun po siya. There's a possible na mangyari siya within that week. Diba? Ang dami kasing mga nagtatanong bakit ganun daw yung date, ganun. Kasi yung date na yon is specific from that situations, no? Yung bagay na yung mangyayari within that week, no? Yung special pasilip within that week. No? Kaya po may date. Diba? 6 to 21 lang po yan. So guys, maraming salamat po. And of course, don't forget to like and subscribe my channel. And hit the question bell for more videos update. Then of course, maraming salamat po sa mga walang sawang pagsuporta sa aking channel. Lalo-lalo nang dinigisip na ads na way pagpalain kayo ng Diyos at may kapal. Siksik-lig-lig na gumawa na biyayang manang balik sa inyo. Maraming salamat and see you next video. Bye-bye and babush!